My name's Stuart Charity. I'm the CEO of the Australian Automotive Aftermarket Association. We're owners of the Collision Repair Expo. I got my start in the industry working for the Australian Trade Commission. I was the person appointed to run the automotive group in there, and we had trade commissioners all around the world, and we were trying to help our local manufacturing industry internationalise. For me, it's the people and the innovation and the entrepreneurship that happens in this industry. The automotive industry is changing all the time. It has changed in the past. It's changing more than ever into the future, and our ability to be able to adapt to that change, to be able to run incredible businesses, suppliers export all over the world, and the people are just really down to earth, and that's what I love about it. The thing I dislike about the industry is there's a lot of people that want to complain and not be part of the solution. So I'll use an example of skills shortages. Everyone wants someone else to fix the problem, but really we need to work collectively. It's so big a problem that everyone's got a role to play in changing the perception of our industry, getting young people into the industry, employing apprentices and so on. You don't leave it to someone else, and don't complain if you can't employ a technician if you're not pulling your weight. I can't put it down to one person, but the people that I admire most in the industry are those self-made people, those people that have started from very small beginnings, often in garages or in small businesses, and they've made their businesses large, and they're passionate about the industry, and they dedicate their whole life to the industry. And there's too many to name individually, but that we have so many industry legends, and this industry was built on the back of that entrepreneurship and that hard work and that relationship building, and we need to honour those legends of our industry. My first car was a brown XB Falcon. It had a bench front seat, 3 on the tree, no air conditioning, no power steering, no power windows, whatever. Went really, really fast in a straight line, but terrible around corners. But gee, I had so much fun in that car. It was my freedom ticket. I lived in sort of semi-rural area, and I used to get around and walking and on my bike, and that was my ticket to freedom. And I love that car. My current car is a Prado Land Cruiser. I love that car. In fact, that's my favourite car since my first car, and it's because it suits our lifestyle. We go down the beach a lot. We've got dogs, kids, that sort of thing, and we can just throw surfboards and kids and dogs and get down the beach and have a lot of fun. And it's a great car to do long trips on. I don't really I'll be honest, I've never really been a car person. I could say a Maserati or whatever, but I actually really love my current car. I don't want to get rid of it, actually. I'm waiting for the new Prado to be launched, but my current car suits our lifestyle perfectly. Love it. It's actually gone up in value, would you believe it? That's my dream car.